What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play For Once in My Life by Noah Cyrus. And I was actually supposed to do this one on Saturday, but I actually completely forgot to do this one. It came out Friday, man. So never mind, this one we're just going to learn how to play on guitar. We don't have any keyboard tuning. If you say, I would say this song is actually easy to play on one hand, on the other hand it's actually a bit tricky to play. We have easy chords. If you just have a look at the first part of the song, we have easy chords, but the second part it actually gets a bit different, and I'm just going to explain you everything. But before that, I won't mind if you just subscribe, because I just want to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. Just drop me one of these so that more people can actually appreciate that. I think that's how everything works. Never mind, let's have a look at the chords, and then I'm just going to break everything down to you guys, what all parts you need to learn. The first chord is a D minor 7, mute, mute, open, second, first, first. Then you have a D dominant 7, which is mute, mute, open, second, first, second. Then you have a G minor, which is 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3. Minor problem with the bar chord, you can just play the G, B and the high string, but make sure that you only strum the G, B and high E string, and it will be a G minor actually. You get the G over here, you get the D, and you also get the A sharp. So G minor. And then you have B flat, which is mute 1, 3, 3, 3, 1. You can play it like this, like this, like this, or even like this, most easiest version to play. Now there are some bar chords in the song, and for the latter part of the song we just have bar chords. So therefore, if you actually struggle a lot playing the bar chords, drop a comment down below and I will actually provide you with one of my videos showing you how to master the bar chords. Next chord will be a C major, which is mute 32010, and I think that's pretty much everything. And then another part comes, but I'm just gonna break down where we have this many bar chord. Okay, let's talk about the song. We actually start off with the chord, like we have that intro, that, and I'm just gonna show you this little riff here, and also all the little riffs we have in the middle of the song. I'm just going to show you how to play that. But the thing is, we start off with the intro, then you have the chorus, and then you have the verse, and after that we have a chorus, and then we likely have an interlude. And what happened is the interlude actually transpose everything sharp higher. I mean, like we are based on the D minor 7. Like after that interlude, we actually gradually change to a bit high. So like from D minor 7, you come to a D sharp minor 7. So instead of, we come over here, and that's the main thing we have in the song, like the interlude. And after that, it actually changes a lot. So therefore, in terms of using an open chord, what you can do is, if you just want to play the second part after that interlude, you can just hear a big 40-50 seconds instrumental we have going on. After that, I think 30 seconds, that will be enough. 30-second instrumental actually goes on. After that, we actually come to everything a sharp, a fret higher. So therefore, you have to play the bar chords over there. So avoid the bar chord. What you can do is, you can just play the exact same thing, which I will show you right now, with the keyboard on the first fret. Okay, so let's get started. And yeah, there will be a play along at the end of this video, because this one, it actually gets a lot confusing, because I'm telling you like this, and I think much of the information are actually going out over here. So therefore, I just want to add a play along at the end of the video showing you how to play the song. So let's get started. You know the chords. We have the rhythm. I just want to show you the rhythm first. It's a bit tricky, but definitely sounds pretty nice. Okay, the rhythm goes like this. Now basically the string pattern is down, down, up, up, down. And if I strum that, it actually sounds decent. You can just go with that, but that will not give you that vibe and feel of the song. So therefore, you need to know this advanced one. So what I'm doing is, I'm actually doing some mutes ups, some extra downs and ups in the middle of that down, down, up, up, down. So just put your hand on the string and play with me. Back, down. So So one main thing is you always keep your hand moving. Doesn't matter you're doing down, down, up, down, but you always keep your hand moving, and it's a bit fast tempo. So you're also working your left hand as well with the one you're playing the chords. You just pressing the note and then releasing it. Jack, jack, back, back, down, down mute, up, down. Like this actually goes for the whole song. And again with that, there's also some this going on in between. So therefore, it's actually a lot tricky. I told you before. So we got. There's no remedy for this. I need to play this a couple of times. I should get into ear, and then only you will be actually able to play the string pattern. One more time. This will take you a bit time. And that's basically everything. If you just have a lot of problem, drop a comment down below. Now this actually goes. So let's have a look at the intro. We start off with a D-7 chord, and we just play that string pattern. But I just want to show you the little riff which goes in the beginning of the. We actually do a pull off from 7 to 5 on the G string. Then we play 7 from a G string. Then we do a slide from 6 to 8 on the B string. And you just bend it a little bit, and that's a big option. And you go back to 6 on the B string and let that ring for a second. And D-7 chord, we just do down, down, up, down 4 times. So we got third time, fourth time. And now we have. So how it goes, I'm just gonna explain you. We actually come to another chord in between of that. Like we have the verse right now. The chord progression will be a D-7, D-7. Then you have a B flat, then a G minor and a C. And the G minor, you're just gonna break the string pattern. Like for the G minor C, we'll do a down, down. For the G minor, like this, down, down. And C major, we'll do up, down, and that will be down, down. So you got. And that's basically everything for the verse. So we start playing the D-7 twice, but at the beginning of the chorus, we actually play. I think I told you verse at the beginning, but I'm sorry for that. It's actually the chorus. So we start playing a D7 chord. So kind of like we just switch on between that dominant 7 and back to the F note over here. So we just like alternate between that minor, the third, and between the dominant 7. So it's up to you. You can just add that second fret on the high string whenever you want and leave that to just get that vibe and feel over there. B flat, down, down, up, down, D-7. One more time. B flat, one time, down, down, up, and then we have that verse in between. And after that we again have a chorus. So that goes same throughout the whole, like for the first part it's actually same, but when you just move on to that interlude, before that you have. And again before that, like after the chorus, when you just come to this part, the breakdown part, it's actually the breakdown. The breakdown, it just gets a bit different. Like you play the D-7, up, down, one more time, D-7, B flat, G minor. But for the G minor, you're just gonna play the full string pattern, which means down, down, and now gonna move on to the C major. And after that, we again just gonna play the B flat chord, and then you have to play a C major chord. I think you go for that once, and then you move on to that part where. Like we have that part. So over here we actually come to another four chords. We have F sharp major, G sharp major, A sharp minor, then a C, then a B minor. So this is F sharp major, which is 2 4 4 3 2 2. You bring this on the 4th fret, it's a G sharp major. You bring this on the 6th fret, it's actually a A sharp major, but when you just remove your middle finger and let that G string be on that bar of the index finger and it's actually 6th fret, then it's a minor chord, and you bring the shape down on 7th fret, 1 fret high, it's a B minor. And you actually do down, down, up, down, down. We do down, down on the F sharp, then an up, up on the G sharp, then a down on that A sharp minor, and repeat that thing, down, up, up, but this time instead of going to the A sharp minor, you're just gonna play the B minor, and then and we have that little variation and like that breakdown part we have over there. And another lick which actually goes in the song a couple of times is basically I'm hammering from 1 to 3 on the B string, and then I'm playing the E string 1st fret, and I just let that go in a loop 5 times. And that's basically everything for the song. So one more time, I'm just gonna everything will be actually clear when I'm just gonna play along with the video. I know it's actually getting a little bit confusing for me also tell you this song. So feel free to drop a comment down below and let me know which other song by Noah Cyrus that you want on guitar. And that part which we have after the breakdown is actually exactly same. Once again I'm telling, exactly same. Whatever you learned till now, you just gonna put the keyboard on the 1st fret now when you come after the breakdown, and then you just gonna play that chords over there. So with the keyboard, we will have the D minor 7 over here. I'm sorry, over here. And then you have the B flat over here. The G minor will be over here. So it's another story actually. Let me play that second part for you guys. On D minor 7, D sharp minor 7. And that's how this goes. And let me just play along with you guys with that part, and that will be actually a lot more clear.